Aiden. Is it fun? Aiden. Hey, baby. Sorry, Mom. Too busy. Found a new toy. So, hours later, Aiden found this toy again. It's almost time for bed, and he's fun to do. Aiden! I hear someone. Daddy's home.
Aiden. Hi. Is that how you greet Daddy? Aiden. Hi. Aiden.
Doesn't even care.
He could care less about me. Aiden, hi.